Hi there, I'm Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to be showing you the brand new Miele Guard Electro. This is the L1 series. This bad boy is for the dealer warranty centers for Miele. You're only going to be able to buy this in store from an actual dealer. Amazon will never get their hands on this. The standard one will be coming with a 3-year warranty. Miele is going to reward you for shopping local and give you a 5-year warranty on this piece. So that is a big deal to us, and then a few more extra features that we're excited about that we'll show you in this video. To start off, this is going to come with the 228 power nozzle. This is Miele's bread and butter. It's the one that's been around the longest, the one that's the most durable. It can do any type of carpet, has 5 different height adjustments. Nice big brush roll to agitate that carpet. At the end of this video, I'm going to do a little demo with this nozzle to show you what it can do. It comes with a telescopic metal wand, the hose with the on-off switch right here at your fingertips. The cord reel, hose, and wand will be about a 36-foot radius cleaning reach, so you can get into a lot of different areas without unplugging the plug constantly. Onto the machine. On the Electro, it's going to have the fabric on the side. That's going to protect your furniture, give it a nice new modern look to the Miele. Miele has really switched up their look with their new canisters. The fabric on the side makes it look beautiful, but also will protect the furniture when you do actually bump it into the walls and then in your furniture. Over here on the standard Electro, it's going to just be like a soft plastic. Onto the screen here, it's an LCD screen, so it's going to have images of your suction mode. It will tell you when your filter needs to be replaced, and your bag. I will also attach a video to show you what this screen is capable of doing. It also has an app if you need to or want to have an app on your phone that will tell you when your bag's getting full, when it needs to be replaced, filtered, and so on. This has 4 different suction modes plus the automatic mode. So the standard will have 4. This one here is going to upgrade you to the automatic suction mode. What that means is it's going to go up and down on the suction depending on your flooring. So each rug, each wall-to-wall carpet, or just hardwood tile, this is going to adjust the power and the suction on its own to be perfect every single time. You don't have to guess on what suction to have it on like the standard over here. So that is a big deal over here to get that automatic. Cord reel, one touch, hit the button, the cord's going to go in. You have your 2-in-1 cleaning tool here. Crevice tool goes straight down. You can open it up and use it as a upholstery brush as well. Also comes with a dusting brush that is going to sit on the wand here as well. So 3 main cleaning tools. When you open it up, they did redesign the bag system. On the old C3s, there's been some human error where when you put the bag in, it didn't get lashed all the way in and it leaked some dirt in there. So Miele made a design where it's almost impossible for us to make a mistake when attaching the bag inside the docking system. It closes and latches, so there's no way to barely put it in where it leaks some dirt and makes a big old mess in there. This one here also runs the HEPA AirClean HEPA filter. So if you know anything about Miele, that's what they're known for. Best bags on the market, best filtration on the market, and obviously the quality. This here comes with the combo tool. Brushes down for hardwood floors, brushes up for your low pile carpets if you did not want to go to the closet and get the 228 power nozzle. They just came out with a new AllFloor tool. I'm in love with it. I don't have it in hand's reach right now, but I'm going to package that AllFloor tool with a lot of these new vacuums that I'm selling. Not to say anything against the combo tool, but the AllFloor tool that just came out really impressed me. So stay tuned. I'm going to give a small demo on the 228 power nozzle and the LCD screen. This vacuum has interest to you. Like I said, you can only buy it in store, so you got to come see me. I'm at 1523 Bardstown Road, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands, right across from Mark's Feed Store. Thank you so much. Hello there, Jimmy here again with A1 Vacuum. Just wanted to show you the difference between the 2 screens on the Guard L1s. This is the standard Guard. When I turn it on, it's going to show you that it's on max speed. If you hit the minus sign, we'll just go through
4 different levels of suction. It will tell you when your filter needs to replace and when your bag is completely full. Over here, when I turn it on, it's gonna give you an image of the bag and the filter, and it will have a little bar right next to it to show you how full the bag is and when your filter is going through the expiration date. So right now, I have an empty bag and a brand new filter. Then it will turn over to the curtain mode. So right now I have it on the lowest suction. Turn it up to upholstery cleaning. A is for auto, that's going to be self-adjust, so you're going to notice the suction going up and down, where you do not have to do anything. I love that mode. Then it will go into carpets, and then flooring with is the max suction that you have. Once again, you can sync this up to your phone as well, but your phone is going to show you exactly what we see here on the LCD screen. Thank you very much.
Hi there, Jimmy House with A1 Vacuum Sales and Service, Louisville, Kentucky, right here in the Highlands. Today I want to give you a very quick video and demonstrate what the 228 power nozzle can do on deep down embedded dirt and pet hair. It comes stocked with the L1 Guard Electro and then the standard Guard L1. So let's get started. As you can see, some really powerful stuff out of the 228 power nozzle. Thank you very much and have a good day.